After hours of research, I'm going to show you three faceless niches that are genuinely working right now without any BS. So the first channel is Sleepy Slorgs. He has 93.5k subs with only 16 videos, and every single one of them is over an hour long. And if you click onto one of his vids, it's not some edited gaming montage. It's literally a guy playing a game called Thief Simulator with a guy quietly talking over it. And because it's over an hour, YouTube is dropping ads every 8 to 10 minutes throughout the whole thing. Gaming RPM runs around $4 to $6, and with 16 vids, this channel easily makes around 15 to 20 grand a month. Now the second channel is Mindful Pause. It's entirely about why dogs do the things they do. Pet content RPM runs around $5 to $8 because dog owners actually spend money. And looking at the total views across the channel, they've probably cleared around 25 to 35 grand. You can throw affiliate links to pet products in your description and you're making huge money on top of that too. And to make it's not that hard. It's AI generated cartoon style images and clips sent to a voiceover explaining the psychology behind what the dog is doing. You generate the visuals in Midjourney, write a simple script with AI, drop an 11 Labs voice on it, put it together on CapCut, and that's it. You could also do this but bend the format, like doing it for cats, birds, basically any pet niche. The audience is just massive either way. But look at these three vids: 627k views, 555k views, 365k views, and he's been getting hundreds of thousands of views in almost each of his videos. It's short vids, like 3 minutes long, about ancient philosophy and how to apply it to real life, like staying calm, not caring what people think, that kind of stuff. The editing here is honestly nothing crazy. It's just images, it's just images and anime characters, captions, and a voiceover. Self-improvement RPM is $8 to $10, which is huge. And since he's got consistent hundreds of thousands of views, and because they're that short, you can put one out every couple of days without it taking over your life. That's all the niches, and peace.